welcome back. Today, this is the control panel of the microwave. I unplugged it and now I'm gonna smash it up. Here, there's heaps of things on here. There's the screen, time cook, time defrost, power clock, kitchen timer. There's popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage, and a dinner plate. And here's all the buttons. Start. Yeah, start. I'm gonna start smashing this now. Yeah, here's that. Start. I'm starting to smash it. Circuit board. Man, circuit board must be broken. Yeah, there you go. There's a... Oh, that's the speaker that makes this fucking beeping noise, is that? Piezo speaker. What, they cheat and lie, they put it in this big, bulky cabinet just for that little speaker. What else is in here? There's a... fuck. Plug thing on here. Oh man, look at that. Shoot. There's quite a bit of copper in there. Don't know what that's for. And don't worry guys, I'll separate all the metal and the plastic so the metal gets recycled and stuff. Whatever that black thing is. There's a big one and then there's the little one. I wonder what's in here though. I think it's just more copper, isn't it? Oh god. Oh, it's just a module, so I don't know what it is. There's more copper right there. There's more copper. Oh, the capacitors. And there's a plug there too. Circuit board. Yeah. There you go. Oh god. Time to go in the grass. Not good. And here we go to rip out the circuit board. Hey, there's the screen module. There's phone. There's the circuit board. Yeah, don't worry guys, I didn't rip it out. As you can see, the old microwaves here, I just unplugged everything. Here's the screen. Is it recording? Here's the screen. Then select. Screen's like clay. What? No, I'm never gonna know what the time is. No. Oh, I'm never gonna know. Now, what about the start? But I've pressed it how many times I need to start the microwave. Come on. I just want to start it. And I want to cook popcorn. Oh no, wait, no, not popcorn. I want to cook pizza. Where's your microwave? Man. Oh, not pizza. I just want power to the microwave. And then when I have power on the microwave, then I can cook my popcorn and pizza. Yeah. Oh, it's so cheery. Oh, that's kind of cool. Cut. Start. Stupid. Doesn't have any physical. It's got these with a touch. Doesn't have any physical buttons on it at all. It's got these touch buttons instead. I can use this to pick up stuff. Like, yeah, very nice. And it's still made of the same brittle plastic. So brittle. No, I'm not. Okay. Okay. Oh, that flew. What? Come on, just break a break. Shatter, run away. It's gonna shatter. Yep, sure does. That's how you know it's so cheap. That's gonna be the end of this video. Bye.